If you've ever felt like crap in your training, here's why. The world has convinced you that particular nutrients are bad, that food is bad, when the truth is food has no moral value. Carbs are not bad, carbs don't make you fat, fat doesn't make you fat, sugar makes you fat, and eating more calories than you're supposed to be eating is what makes you fat. If you're feeling like crap in your workouts, take a look at what energy systems that you're training. So let's say, like in the world of kettlebells, a very popular training method is using kettlebell complexes. The nature of kettlebell complexes, the energy system that you're taxing there is your glycolytic training system. Okay, you're feeling that muscle burn. When you're feeling the muscle burn, glycolysis and sugar is the pathway that you're taxing. So if you're following a keto lifestyle, you've been convinced that carbs are the enemy and that they're what's making you fat, and so you cut carbs out of your diet, but yet you're training in a manner which requires carbohydrates, you're not going to feel all that hot. Same thing if you train jiu-jitsu. Jiu-jitsu in and of itself, like the nature of jiu-jitsu, is it's a very glycolytic training pathway that you're taxing. Following a keto-focused lifestyle where you're pretty much limiting your carbs, you're not gonna feel great in the training. If you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to stay lean, it's not about how many carbs you're eating or you're not eating. It's about the total calories that you're consuming. If you wanna feel better in your workouts, take a look at the style of training that you're following. If you're following more of a glycolytic training protocol, kettlebell complexes, you're training jiu-jitsu, traditional bodybuilding, your body's going to require more carbohydrates. It's going to crave carbohydrates. But if you're following more of a power-focused training method, maybe you're following more of like what we call an A&A protocol, like aerobic and alactic. If you're doing more of like a cardio-focused activities, then yes, you can get by with following more of a lower carb, keto focused lifestyle. This isn't beating up on keto or whatever. My whole point here is for performance, if you want to get the most out of your workouts, you need to make sure that you're aligning the energy pathway that you're training with the right eating strategy.